Hello and welcome to another episode. My name is Manny and this is Grabani. Today we'll be making Moringa Latte, alkaline vegan style. Let's go to India. So what's Moringa? That's a really good question that I believe I can answer for you today. But if you really want to know, ask Google. However, if you'd like to learn how to make the best alkaline vegan Moringa Latte, I got you. Personally, I consume about 2 teaspoons of Moringa per day. But if you're just starting out, I recommend you start with 1 teaspoon. So this is a milk frother. It has a trigger at the top that when squeezed, it activates a motor. The activated motor causes the whisk at the bottom to spin vigorously. The spinning motion aerates your milk, forcing it to form tiny bubbles, which eventually turn into foam. You know what? I'm already sounding like Google, so I'll just show it to you. Bring some water to a boil, then pour about 1 ounce or maybe less over your moringa powder. Using a bamboo whisk, vigorously whisk your moringa and water until combined. Slowly bring some walnut milk to a boil. You can also use any alkaline friendly milk. Add some fresh ginger and about 5 cloves. Once your milk is coming to a boil, take it off the stove and pass it through a strainer. I'll leave links to everything I used in this video in the description box below. Now give your moringa a final whisk, then transfer it to a teacup, a mug, or whatever you're using. It's time for my favorite part. Let's go. Now this is really important, so pay attention. Place your milk pitcher at a slight angle, then insert your milk frother right below the surface of the milk. Don't go too deep. Now activate your milk frother while making an up and down motion, and you're guaranteed to get something like this. Add some agave nectar to your moringa and mix properly. You want to mix it now to avoid disturbing the foam. Now you want to add your milk, call your boss, and tell them, I'm not coming in today and you're not the boss of me, because I'm now a Moringa Latte boss. Well, except for the latte art. Thank you so much for watching this video. My name is Manny and I make recipes from all around the world. If you have any recipes you'd like for me to make, please reach out to me using the comment section below. Also, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all next week.